Okay, so editor drag and drop. So controls whether the editor should allow moving selections via drag and drop. So let me show you what this looks like. If you have a selection and you click somewhere inside the selection and drag it, you can basically cut and paste. This is like a cut and paste, right? Now, I don't find this feature very useful. It's extremely rare for me to select something in code and then just drag it somewhere. Like this almost never happens. I don't remember this ever happening. But it has happened to me to have some kind of selection and then by mistake just graze on the mouse or something like that and just whoops, whoop, and now you have to Command Z or Control Z or whatever just to undo that mistake. So, also another thing that sometimes I find annoying is that I make a selection, right, and then I realize that I selected too much stuff, and I need to make a selection that's just a fragment of this whole selection. So if you try and do that, you can't because you're actually dragging, right? So my recommendation, I mean, it depends obviously on how you know your how you use these things, on your habits as well. But my recommendation would be to set this feature to false. By default, it's set to true, so let's set it false. And now, when you have a selection, I think this is the biggest hassle. You can, it's very easy to just create a sub-selection without dragging and dropping your previous selection. Otherwise, you would have to undo the selection first by clicking somewhere, and then you can redo the selection. Um, Also, if if you have the setting set to true, and you have a selection, and you click somewhere inside the selection. Oh, okay, my mistake. I thought that if you clicked inside the selection, you would actually not remove the selection. That's not true. Okay, never mind. So yeah, I would leave this as false. Um, and yeah, that's my recommendation.